Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in today's video I am going to talk about how to call Python methods like Odoo methods in Odoo XML-RPC. So in the previous videos we have discussed about how to create a record, how to delete a record, how to read the data, and how to create an invoice using XML-RPC. So it is really important if you want to integrate Odoo with some external application, like if you are working on a development like a mobile application, and you created the invoices, you just want to create that invoice in Odoo, so you can do it with XML-RPC. We already explained in the previous videos. And you just want to post that invoice, so you just need to call the post method to post the invoice in Odoo. So we just need, I just want to explain this in this video. So first of all, you just need to activate the debug mode like this by adding question mark and debug is equal to 1. And then you need to find the method behind the post method, which is action post. So you just bring the cursor over the button and you will see the button name. So if it does not show the button name, then this means the debug mode is not properly activated. So you must need to activate that debug mode. And one thing you need to keep in mind that you cannot call every method. So like what does it mean, like every method? So you can call only those method which return something. So like for example, if a method that does not return anything, like if it does returns none, then you cannot call it with XML-RPC. Okay, so you just need to make it something to return true or false or something. Okay, so let me just first try to like to post the invoice. Posted invoice is equal to models dot execute. Okay, kw, and here you need to pass db, uid, password, and then the model name, which is account.move in this case. So let me show you from where you can get the model name. You can get the model name from this URL. Okay, and then you need to pass the IDs of the records, which will be in the list of integers. So in this case we want to just post this one invoice, but I will also show you how you can post multiple invoices. So in this case the ID is 32, which we get from the URL. Okay, let me edit and then let me print posted invoice. Okay, so let me try to execute this code. Okay, so we got like something, what it returns, required positional agreement, positional argument. Okay, so what I am missing here is to add the method name, which is action post. I already showed you how you can spot the method name. So let me run this code again, and here it returns true. This means the invoice has been posted, and let me check if it has been posted successfully. So you can see, you will see like here it is in the posted state. So now I will show you how what will be the error message in case if the method does not return anything. So in this case we will call the method of reset to draft button. So the method name is button draft. Okay, so let me just duplicate this line and call the method which is button draft. What this does, it will move the invoice to the draft state. So let me rerun the code, and here you got the error message which says that like you cannot call a method which returns nothing. So it returns like none. So let me just go into the code and just let me check what it returns actually. Okay, so we will see button draft and it is inside the account.move. So here is the method. So this method does return nothing. So if it just posts the state and it does return nothing, so you can just do it you can just inherit this method or write this method in your custom module, and you can just add a return at the end of this method like this. You just need to call it with super, and then you can return false or true. Okay, so we will return true because true means that invoice has been like successful, the method has been called successfully. Okay, so for this purpose we need to restart Odoo service, and then we will have to restart this we will have to rerun this code. So let me just rerun this code. Okay, and here we got another mirror message which is something. Okay, it has not been restarted successfully. Okay, so let me rerun the code again. Okay, so it returns true. This means that the invoice has been moved to the draft state successfully. This is how you can play with this. You can also call the cancel method like this. You can also call the preview method, which will return the link to the invoice. Okay, so this is it for this video. And if you have any suggestion like what next video I need to record, you can just comment it and I will check it and I will record the video upon your request. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.